Today, we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to add your email to your iPhone. If you're a Microsoft customer, you can download and use the Outlook app from the App Store, or you can add your account to your iPhone's built-in Mail app. To do this, head to Settings, then scroll down and tap on Mail. From there, tap Accounts, then select Add Account. Tap Microsoft Exchange, then enter your email address and a description. At the next pop-up, simply select Sign In, and your email address will be sent to Microsoft to discover your Exchange account info. After that, follow the prompts to enter your password and provide your authentication method, if applicable. Now you can select what you want to sync from your email account with your phone, like contacts and calendars. You can change these around at any time by heading into the same settings menu on your iPhone. All done! Your emails will now start importing into the iOS Mail app.